Sometimes your joy will be the source of your smile, but sometimes it can be the source of your joy. Just follow your joy always. I think if you do that, life will take you on the course it's meant to be.